Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines on Gandhi Jayanti. Number 1. Gandhi Jayanti is the national festival of India. Number 2. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Number 3. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Number 4. He is known as the father of nation. Number 5. Gandhi ji promoted peace of non-violence. 6. He led India to freedom, British rule. 7. Schools and offices in India remain closed. 8. People pay tribute with prayers and songs. 9. On this day, we remember his teachings. Number 10. Gandhi Jayanti reminds us to be kind and brave. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.